Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is to have courage. It's time to dig deep. Believe in yourself. So many people will look at you, Capricorn, and say, what are they doing? That's impossible. That doesn't make sense. That's crazy. But the crazy thing is when you create what you're making, turning the impossible to something possible, they're going to say, wow, that is amazing. Look at that strength. I wish I had the confidence to do that. I wish I had the courage. I wish I had the intellect or the vision to do that. So I want you to keep pushing forward because you came too far to stop now, baby. I'm stronger than the fear that surrounds me. You look fear in the eye, guarantee it turns away, and the other direction and will run away at light speed, record recording speed. Therefore, you're on your way to continue to move down your path and journey of prosperity. And I'm bigger than any doubt. I am light. I remain light. You can bring light to the darkness, so there's no reason to have any doubt. You come too far to doubt yourself. You have too many results that brought you to this point where you know things are working for you. I trust in God and I stand tall before the test of life. I grow and become wiser and stronger through each challenge. I am a being of new life. You become wiser. Therefore, you work smart, not hard. You become stronger. Therefore, blessings come with their own weight, just like negative energy. The stronger you become, the more blessings you can maintain. We're taking you from the studio apartment to the beachfront mansion beach house. The stronger you can become and maintain the blessing you're asking for is coming your way. So continue to build on yourself because I know you have big dreams. I know you have big prayers. I know you have big manifestations, but you have to put some work behind that and everything will come to you. Have the courage to keep pushing forward, become strong, and get ready for your waterfall of blessings. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.